Hey guys, in this episode I'm going to show you how to edit your PDF in mobile. On your phone, navigate to Play Store or App Store and click it. In the search bar, type Microsoft Office and pick the one with this best match. Ensure the one to install is this logo and this name, and install it. After that, click on open. So when you first open, you'll be prompted to log in. You can log in, or you can even do it without having to log in. Just go to the bottom right corner and locate actions and click it. Locate PDF to Word. It will just quickly convert your PDF to Word, and after all the editing, you convert it back to PDF. So let's click it. Let's locate where our document is. So I'm interested in editing a proposal letter that I was quickly prompted on. So here you can convert to mobile mode. You can scroll down to have a look at everything. And once you want to make an edit, you just click the portion that you want to edit. Converting to 1 million. There also 150 million. From there, once you are done with all your editing, you quickly go to save. And back. So then you can convert this document to your PDF by locating this 3 ellipses beside it and proceed to convert to PDF. Let's say after everything, you are interested now in putting a signature where the signature column is. All you need to do is just locate this 3 ellipses and put signature mode. So we want to put the signature here. You just click there. I've already created a signature that I want to put there, so I can proceed to click this and insert the signature there. If you haven't, you can delete this or create a new signature. You have the flexibility of doing all such options. So I want to proceed to click it. So from here I can resize it to fit where I want to place the signature. Perfect. So once I'm okay with it, I just proceed to save. And back, then save. So now I'm gonna put the name of the document, so proposal letter with signature. Then I click on save. Right when this is done, when I proceed to open it, all the PDF, the editing that I've made from where the values is, to where the signature is, all is intact. So if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I will do my best to address. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. Bye bye.